दूसरी तरफ अमेरिका के सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक बार फिर हिंद पाक जंग का हवाला दिया। ट्रंप ने कहा कि हिंद पाक जंग में 8 तैयारे गिराए गए थे। पाकिस्तान के वजीर आजम ने इस बारे में कहा था कि आपने करोड़ों जानें बचाई हैं। ट्रंप ने कहा कि हिंद पाक जंग में लाखों लोग मर सकते थे, लेकिन उन्होंने हिंद पाक जंग को रुकवाया। हिंद पाक जंग अगर न रुकती तो 10 से 20 मिलियन लोग मारे जाते। अमेरिकी सदर ने यह भी कहा कि हम वेनेजुएला से 50 मिलियन बैरल तेल ले चुके हैं। रूस यूक्रेन जंग के खात्मे के लिए उनकी कोशिशें जारी हैं।
Did 8 unendable wars in 10 months. These were unendable wars. Cambodia and Thailand fighting for years. Kosovo and Serbia. The Congo and Rwanda. Pakistan and India, they were really going at it. 8 planes shot down. They were going to go nuclear, in my opinion. The Prime Minister of Pakistan was here. And he said President Trump saved 10 million people and maybe much more than that. They're both nuclear countries. Israel and Iran. Egypt and Ethiopia were going to fight over a dam, and I got them to stop. I still got to work it out because they put a dam up in Ethiopia that stops the flow from a little river called the Nile. I always think of the Nile being in Egypt, you know, beautiful Nile with the pyramids, but they put a dam up. You know who paid for the dam? The United States of America. It's the biggest dam, I think, in the world. They put a dam up. I said, how did you let that happen? Why would we have done that? We financed it. This country would, I don't know. Maybe it was a Republican president, but I don't think it was. I think it was a Democrat. But what a terrible thing. So Egypt basically is, you know,